What's going on, YouTube? I just want to show and explain a little bit of my setup here. Just got done hardwiring a 60-gallon compressor, pipes and all that. I picked this one up at Craigslist for a good deal. I couldn't pass it up, so it's been hardwired, running off a 220 here. Alright, it goes, oh, can't really see that one, gotta go around this way. It's going into my garage right there. Go back around this way. Alright, I'm running 1/2-inch piping. I didn't want to do 3/4 or inch, it's just too much hassle. So it goes up around this way. Goes all the way up here. There. And it comes down right here. Got a valve. Got another valve right here. Got a nice filter. Another filter. This will be for painting, sanding, whatever. And then an extra one. Came out alright. Then I got the box right here dedicated 220 for the compressor. Right here 20 amps. So came out alright. Took me about 3 days or so to hook it all up. Got another output there, and I had built this little shack next to my garage. I'm not quite done with it, so gotta put siding and stuff and put a door and all that good stuff, you know. But so far so good. Got any questions, whatever, if I got time, I'll go ahead and answer later.